Hi everyone, so we are gonna go straight into this question. This question was sent by one of my students, and we are gonna answer this question here. Okay, so it says we are gonna read it twice so we can really get familiar with the information here. It says a farmer has 144 heads of pak choy. He gave a quarter to his brother and a quarter of the remainder to his sister Thelma. Okay. Part A asks, what fraction did he give to his sister Thelma? B, what fraction did he keep for himself? So let me read it one more time so you can really get familiar. A farmer has 144 heads of pak choy. He gave a quarter to his brother and a quarter of the remainder to his sister Thelma. What fraction did he give to his sister Thelma? What fraction did he keep for himself? Okay, so what I like to do, I really like to do this, I really like to underline or I could circle the important things in this question. Okay, I could put it in a box. So 144 heads of pak choy is important because that's all that represents the whole. Okay, we're going to talk about that soon. And he said he gave a quarter to his brother and a quarter of the remainder to his sister Thelma. A quarter of the remainder to his sister Thelma. So that is very, very important information. I put it in red. Okay, so we need to know our fractions. We need to remember that, hey, since we are working with quarters, then we can work with our denominators, be it in terms of 4. So we know our fractions, 4 over 4, that would represent a whole, or in this case, all the heads of pak choy. So that would be 4 over 4. Okay, so let me just put that together, compartmentalize that. Okay, all right. Then it says here he gave a quarter to his brother. Oh, where did that go? All right, good. So it says there that he gave a quarter to his brother. So 1 quarter, that's why you write a quarter, 1 over 4, numerator 1, denominator 4. 1 quarter goes, I put a little arrow here, goes to the brother. Okay, 1 quarter goes to the brother. Okay, right? So I like to say we're converting the English language to mathematical language, the words to numbers. Okay, now since a quarter goes to the brother, right? Since the quarter goes to the brother, we can say that the farmer takes what he has, 4 over 4, takes away a quarter, which he gives to his brother, and that leaves him with 3 quarters. I'll say that again. This is what the farmer has. The farmer has 1 whole. Okay, 4 over 4. He gives a quarter of that to his brother. So we have 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Since our denominators are the same, okay, 4 and 4, 4 and 4, same denominators, we can freely look at the numerators. Okay, all right. So therefore, it's gonna be 4 minus 1 is gonna give us 3, and 4 minus 4. Well, this is not gonna be 0, right, guys? Because we were talking about that in class actually. So 4 over 4 minus 1 over 4, we are actually going to write the same remainder. Okay, we did that in the group class 3 this week. Okay, some fractions. So we have 4 over 4 minus 1 quarter is going to leave me with 3 over 4. Okay. Awesome. 4 over 4 minus 1 quarter is 3 over 4. So after the farmer gave a quarter to his brother, the farmer now remains with 3 quarters of all the heads of pak choy. Okay, right? So the farmer now remains with 3 quarters. Now, the question says here, let me go in blue. The question says here, right? A quarter of that remainder goes to Sister Thelma. A quarter of what remainder? A quarter of what remained after he gave some to his brother. So after he gave some pastoral to his brother, the farmer remains with 3/4. And now the farmer is taking, let's go in blue, let's continue in blue. The farmer is now taking 1/4 of what remains 3/4 to Sister Thelma. I'll say that again. The farmer is taking 1/4 of the remainder to Sister Thelma. So therefore, let's find out what fraction, okay, was given to Sister Thelma, which would be part A of the question. So we have 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. Then we have 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. And that would be part A. All right, I'm gonna write it in words here. 3/16 for the THs. 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma. Question says Sister Thelma. I think they meant his Sister Thelma, or it could be, I guess it could be someone of the ministry. Okay, maybe, I don't know, right? So we have 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma. Okay, let's compartmentalize that. Okay, awesome. So that will be part A of the question. Now, part B says, what fraction did he keep for himself? What fraction did he keep for himself? So, since a quarter was given to the brother, right? A quarter was given to the brother. And then 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma. All right? Listen to me carefully. A quarter was given to the brother. All right? A quarter was given to the brother. And 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma. What fraction remains with the farmer? Okay? All right. Just checking here. Okay. So, since a quarter goes to the brother and 3/16 goes to the farmer, we need to find out the remainder, or what fraction he kept for himself, right? So we can do this. We can say, let's go with a different color. Let's go with purple. It's a different part of the question here, part B, right? So we can say, since a quarter, all right, you know what? Let me go up here. Let me go on this side here for more space. Since a quarter, right, was given to his brother, and since 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma, we want to find out the fraction that was given away to people. In other words, we want to find out what fraction was given to other people. When we find that fraction, we can get the remainder for the farmer himself. I'll say that one more time. What are we doing now? We are calculating the fraction that was given away to others, and then we can calculate what fraction remains with us, well, the farmer in this case. So a quarter was given to the brother, 3/16 were given to Sister Thelma. So we have a 4 here. Looking at the denominators, we have a 4, we have a 16 here. What number can we use here? We can use 16. 4 can go into 16, 16 can go into 16. So 4 into 16 is 4. 4 into 16 is 4. 4 into 1, 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Okay. Right. I'll say that again. All this is recorded, but I'll say it again. 4 into 16 is 4. 4 goes into 16 4 times. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Then we have 16 multiplied by 16 is 1. And 1 by 3 is 3. Or we can say, well, since 3/16 is here, and we have a 16 denominator here, it's going to be the same 3/16. Okay? Great. Now we have 4 plus 3. That's going to give us 7. And we carry out the denominator here. So therefore, the farmer gave away 7/16 of all the produce he had. What was it, Pak Choi? He gave away 7/16 of all the produce that he had. Okay? Now, since we know that 7/16 were given away, well, we know from our fraction, when we have a number over the same number as a fraction, that's going to be the whole. So we are talking now in terms of 16ths. Since we're talking in terms of 16th, 16 over 16 would represent all the Pak Choi. So we have 16 over 16, and you want to take away all the Pak Choi, the fraction that was given away, to others. So we have 16 over 16 minus 7 over 16. That is going to give us, what is that going to give us, guys? That's going to give us 9 over 16. Okay? So the farmer remains, which is part B. The fraction that the farmer keeps for himself would be 9 over 16. Okay? Pretty generous guy. He still has more than half what remains, but he pretty much gave a lot away, okay, of his produce. So the farmer remains with 9 over 16, right? So the answer for A, what fraction did he give his sister Thelma? Okay, that answer would be 3 over 16. And part B, what fraction did he keep for himself? That answer will be 9 over 16. Hope this was helpful, guys. Have a great day.